What's going on, guys? It's your boy Booney from Backwoods Customs. We are back on the 300 again today, and it's got an all-wheel drive Hemi. It's 2005. We're going to put a PCV valve in it. It's not really your normal PCV valve, but these things like to chew through the oil, and that's one of the culprits. So you just got to come over here and get her to unlock. Oh yeah, probably clogged up. It still moves around a little bit, but we're gonna put a new one in there today because she is huffing a little bit of oil. Don't know why, but I know that's pretty, as you can see, that's pretty good there. Brand spanking new. And you just put her down in there and give her a twist. So I hope that helped you. If you